Unraveling the Quickstep Rhythm, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of dance and language, exploring the fascinating concept of the quickstep rhythm. This phrase is not just about dance steps, but it's a vibrant expression in the English language, often symbolizing energy, pace, and rhythm in various contexts. Whether you're a dance enthusiast or just curious about this catchy phrase, you're in the right place. Let's start at the very heart of the phrase, the quickstep dance itself. Originating in the 1920s, the quickstep is a fast-paced, lively dance that is both fun and challenging. It's characterized by its quick steps and syncopated rhythms, making it a vibrant and energetic dance. The key here is the pace and the flow, with dancers moving swiftly across the dance floor, almost as if they're floating. When we talk about the quickstep rhythm, we're referring to two things: the rhythm of the quickstep dance, and metaphorically, a fast-paced and lively rhythm in life or activities. The term captures the essence of being lively, brisk, and agile, whether that's in dancing, conversation, or work. You might hear the phrase, quick-step rhythm, outside the dance floor, used metaphorically to describe the pace of life, work, or even conversation. For instance, a meeting that goes very quickly and efficiently might be said to have a quick-step rhythm. It signifies a sense of urgency, speed, and efficiency, all wrapped up in a neat, rhythmic package. The quickstep rhythm isn't just a dance term, it's a part of the English language that reflects culture, history, and the arts. It's a phrase that resonates with energy, speed, and gracefulness, and understanding it helps you appreciate not just the language but the cultural tapestry it's woven into. The quickstep rhythm is more than just a dance term. It's a lively and fast-paced way of expressing movement, whether on the dance floor or in the rhythm of our daily lives. It encapsulates the spirit of agility, speed, and rhythm in a beautiful, expressive manner. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the quickstep rhythm and added a new, rhythmic phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep dancing to the rhythm of life, and we'll see you in the next video.